Yeah, mommy people, big up on yourself, you know, big up all of my subscribers them. Tonight we are cook some brown stew chicken. Just coming not too long coming from work and thing. And I not upload that much. You see me, long time I not upload because 9 to 5 and then coming from work, do a little thing on the side and just busy and so when I do have the time, I just how do it. Like brown stew chicken and we're not doing stew chicken. So for some people want to know the difference between brown stew chicken and stew chicken because brown stew chicken and stew chicken are two different things, alright? So listen now, brown stew chicken, when you season your chicken and you fry up your chicken, not really fry up, not fully fry your chicken, you brown up your chicken first and then you cook down your chicken. Stew chicken, you season up everything in that pot. So I season up everything in your pan, your onion, scallion, thyme, add your brown and them thing there, and you just put everything in one time, boom, and just deal with it. But we have the brown stew chicken, so we're going to season up the chicken and everything, and we're going to burn up the chicken first, and then we're going to cook it down, alright? So we're going to take you through the whole process and everything there, yeah man, stay tuned. Cut up your onion. So yeah man, cut up the thyme, cut up the scallion and everything there. So we'll cut up with scallion and put on with chicken, right? More likely you wash the chicken already still, so make sure. No more likely you have to wash your chicken first before you add any season. But the reason why I say that is because I never show you guys when I wash the chicken. But obviously wash the chicken and wash every season right so. Add some thyme. You can cut them up if you want. I don't really cut my thyme up when I add them, so I just add them like that. Scotch bonnet pepper now, you add according to how you want it. If you like it hot, you put a lot of scotch bonnet. If you don't like it hot, so you just add to your taste. Like me now, I like it hot still, you know what I mean? So you can use scotch bonnet, you can use any pepper you want. Once it give you your flavor. So, but the scotch bonnet is the Jamaican thing. So if you want the real Jamaican flavor, use the scotch bonnet pepper. You understand? Onion as well. So onion, we're gonna do the onion. But me do with my onion. Me grate my onion. Me not cut up my onion in a dices and everything there. So normally when I do with my onion, I just grate it up. Yeah, that's how I do my onion. Okay guys, grate time. Then my garlics now, I cut them up very fine. I can grate them if you want as well, up to you. Cut my garlics up very fine. Bumbo clot, like I want to cry, onion a burn me eye. See? Cut it like that. Yeah, and then you cut them up dice. Yeah. Cut it half, 4/4. You just cut them up fine. You see me? Lots of natural herb, no bag of powder season and them thing. Because the powder season ain't good for you, you know what I mean? The less you can, you'll know it better. Anyways, I add Maggi cube. So I normally, you can add 4. I add 4, give me the right flavor for this small chicken one I use. Just crush that up over the chicken. And I'm going to add as well, it's a bit of black pepper. Yeah, that's alright. And I'm not add no salt yet, you know. You see salt, you can add the salt last. Up to you if you want salt. Sometimes the Maggi cube full of salt already. You add some pimento seed. Yeah. Then now what I'm gonna do now people, I'm gonna blend in everything now. Alright? So I'm gonna massage everything into the chicken. You massage. And we ain't gonna add no browning. Because as I said in the intro, we are doing brown stew chicken. So we're gonna fry our chicken to get our color. We don't need the aid of a browning. Can leave that for stew chicken. So now marinate everything up, rub me in. I'll make this marinate for about half an hour or an hour. Or if you want, you can cook it straight away. No waiting around. You see me? Make you see what I go on. See? Massage everything in. Yeah. Massaging in. So alright now guys, we're gonna let this marinate for the next hour or half an hour. Half an hour. No do. I'm gonna make it marinate, alright? See you guys soon. So now people, the pot hot, oil well hot, just to the right temperature, how we need it. So what I'm gonna do now is remove the seasoning from the chicken, right? So I'm gonna do that and come back. I can't want use two of my hand them. So I can't get use them because I want to hold the camera anyway. So alright, soon be back. So all the season from the chicken gonna be removed. You guys gonna see what I mean, alright? So yes guys, so we're there now. Chicken, the season removed off my chicken, you know. The pot well hot. So what we're gonna do now is put in chicken them now at the hot oil. Okay? So we're gonna brown them and make sure so they get them color. See how one people say, brown them up and out. This is the color I want. Nice color, isn't it? We're gonna brown up the rest of them now. Alright, so stay tuned. Finish brown up the chicken. So most of the oil in the pot, I remove most of the oil. All the burn them, the big bits and stuff, you remove them. And then you only need a little bit of oil. It's up to you. You don't have to add any oil as well. So now we're gonna put by the chicken and the seasoning what we had before. We're gonna put everything together inside of the pot, alright? So now add everything. We're gonna stir them up. We're gonna stir it, give it a very good stir. And you can add onions now. So now you can add some onion if you want, some fresh onion and some tomato. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some tomato and some carrots as well. That's what I'm gonna add. Okay guys, so now guys, so yes guys, we add everything now. We add the chicken and the seasoning to the pot. What we're gonna add now is just some tomato, carrot and a piece of crushed ginger. Alright, I'm gonna add everything. I'm gonna give it a good stir in a moment. So what I'm gonna add before I stir it up, because I gotta put the phone down, I'm gonna put maybe a little bit of brown sugar. You don't have to. And I'm gonna put a bit of ketchup in it as well and stir it up. And you can put a piece of butter as well. Alright? Alright, so now we have the butter, the ketchup, and the sugar as I said earlier. So we'll stir up everything you know. Turn up the heat, stir it up. Alright, so we'll stir it up and be back. Also guys, I did add a little bit of green pepper, green sweet pepper, alright? You can put red, gold, green, all the colors what you would like. It's all up to you right now. Anyways now, I got the pot pan medium flame and I store everything. Now I'm gonna add in less than a cup of water. I'm gonna show you guys as well, alright? But the thing look good, don't it? You want the thing up. You understand? That's how we do it. Slow cook it right now. So as I'm saying guys, remember yeah, meanwhile we were browning the chicken was actually steaming and cooking already. So with this now we don't need to add a pot full of water up here and all them stuff, the halfway up the pot and them thing there. You understand? All we need to do, gravy we are trying to make now, you know, make it steam out a little bit more. So look, so we have a cup of water here. That's all I'm gonna add. I'm gonna add about that, right? That's all I'm gonna add, alright guys? That's it. I'm gonna spin it up and turn it down low. And if you want some more, then add some more water. So you add the water accordingly as you go along. Because if you put a bag of water up so, you don't want that. Because chicken already brown, already steam already. Only thing you need is some gravy you want. That's it. Full stop. Done. Right now guys, this is it. After we put the water in, okay? After we put the water in, we let it bubble for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, so now it's bubbling for 10 minutes. What I'm going to do is turn it down on medium flame for the next 10 minutes or 15 minutes. It all depends. But so far, it all depends how thick you want the gravy or what. You know what I mean? So yeah guys. So yeah man people, see it? Finished product this. Nice gravy. No browning. You see me? I like this one. proper brown stew chicken, not stew chicken.